If you're just getting started with Bitcoin in 2025, one of the first questions you'll face is, where do I actually keep my Bitcoin safe? In this video, I'm breaking down the difference between hot wallets and cold wallets, showing you real examples and giving you a beginner action plan so you don't get burned. If you're brand new to crypto, subscribing now means you'll have the complete beginner roadmap, one video at a time. A Bitcoin wallet is more than just an app. It's how you prove ownership of your Bitcoin. When you hold your own keys, you control your money. When you don't, you're trusting someone else. A history lesson: centralized platforms have failed before. In 2014, Mt. Gox reported 850,000 Bitcoins missing, although about 200,000 were later recovered. In November 2022, FTX collapsed overnight when withdrawals froze. In June 2022, Celsius and BlockFi both paused withdrawals before going bankrupt. These stories prove one thing: not your keys, not your coins. Imagine an officer leaves his vest in the trunk instead of wearing it. He still technically has it, but it won't protect him when he actually needs it. Hot wallets, they're connected to the internet, great for beginners, convenient, but more exposed to risk. A few examples: Coinbase's Base app, formerly known as Coinbase Wallet. You can self-custody, it easily connects with Coinbase and works with NFTs and dApps. The Trust Wallet, it supports 70 plus blockchains and it lets you stake assets like Ethereum, Solana, Binance, and connects to dApps with Wallet Connect. And then there's Exodus. It has a user-friendly desktop and mobile wallet with a built-in swap feature and integration with Trezor hardware wallets for supported assets. Best use case: learning, small balances, and daily transactions. In police work, we always balance speed and safety. Like rolling code 3 in traffic, hot wallets are like that. Quick access, but higher risk. If this breakdown is helpful, hit the like button so YouTube shows this to more beginners who need it. Cold wallets. They're hardware devices or methods that store your keys offline. They are the gold standard for long-term secure storage. Few examples: you have the Ledger Nano X. It has Bluetooth capability, although you can disable it, secure element chip, and it's mobile friendly. In 2023, Ledger launched an optional recover feature. It sparked debate, but remember, private keys still stay on device. The Trezor Model T, it's fully open source, has touchscreen and wide software support. And then you have Cold Card. It's Bitcoin only, designed for advanced users, supports multi-sig and air-gapped workflows. Cold wallets cost anywhere between $60 to $250 plus. They drastically reduce remote hack risk, but you must guard against phishing, physical theft, or seed phrase loss. A cold wallet is like evidence in the police department's property room. Nobody's touching it without signing it out and showing ID. So which wallet should you start with? Don't worry, I've got a step-by-step beginner plan for you. Beginner action plan. Step 1, start with the hot wallet like Base app or Trust Wallet. This helps you practice sending and receiving Bitcoin with small amounts. Step 2, once you accumulate savings, move a portion to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for long-term protection. If you don't already have a Bitcoin wallet, I'll drop my Coinbase referral link in the description. When you sign up, you'll get a small Bitcoin bonus, and it also supports the channel. Step 3, write down your recovery phrase on paper. Never screenshot it, never type it into a website, and never buy a used device. If you've made it this far, drop a comment with the wallet you're thinking about starting with. I read them all and reply to as many as I can. What if you lose your device? You can restore with your recovery phrase on a new one. What if your hot wallet gets hacked? Funds are gone. That's why you don't store life savings there. What if the company goes bankrupt? Hardware wallets keep working. Self-custody doesn't depend on the company. What if you forget your PIN? Again, seed phrase equals backup. What if you die unexpectedly? Have a trusted inheritance plan, family, safe deposit box, or legal instructions. Common mistakes to avoid: keeping all your Bitcoin on an exchange, emailing or screenshotting your recovery phrase, using wallets you bought used or on eBay, thinking hot wallets are unsafe. They're fine, just not for large amounts. Not testing a small transaction before moving large amounts. That's the breakdown of hot versus cold wallets for beginners in 2025. Hit like if you learned something new, and share this video with a friend who's just getting started in crypto. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.